Definitely not as many fish out here as there was. That female's still out here. That same female in the same spot. That's crazy. Holy sh! You got one, Dad? Oh, tails never fails. Loosen your drag. Yeah, she don't know he's hooked yet.
Oh yeah. And she went a couple times.
Keep him out of there. Ugh, swam out of the net. Hey Dad, what's with us and losing fish into the net? That's the second one now. Oh Dad, what do you think? First fish of the morning. Here, just put it right here. I got it. Oh, you put it back out. I'll get your blood going. Oh man, there's still that big one out there. We were trying to keep her out of the log. Holy shit.
Suspended. Wide open.
This is what Dad does. This is what Dad does to hooks. We gotta get bigger hooks. All right, we're back in the saddle. Dad's got our first one in the stringer. Texting Matt, happy birthday. Happy birthday, dude. Wish you were here, man. This would be awesome. Me and Dad just retied because these fish are really messing with our gear. So we got fresh flies on, and we are going to hit the open water again. By open water, I mean we're just gonna jump back in the river here. See what for fish it has. I got her. I got one. But I couldn't see her where I was fishing. I can't tell where she's hooked. Oh, she's gone. Dang it, that's the fourth or fifth time I've had a hook in that fish. In case you're wondering, no, we are not snagging. These fish hate this egg-sucking leech coming up next to their beds. And if you do it often enough, see one of them just get pissed off and turn and go over and attack it. So they are actually biting this morning. So much trash down in there. That's pretty much unfishable.
Might be a ghost fish.
There's a nice one there, but you see all this trash? You have to get them out. We'd fish from that bar. Out under that tree, you see those fish?
Yeah.
Are you saying in here there is?
Right there's like 4 or 5 of them, right in front of you.
Holy. That goes down slowly. But trust me, if you get a fish in here, I got your back. You know, worst case scenario, if we don't hit them today real good, we'll go out tonight to the honey hole. got one. Yeah, and I got a nicer hook set this time.
What?
Got a way nicer hook set. Here. Take him.
Am I doing it or are you doing it?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the net. Take it. Just hold him. I got the drag loose. All right. Keep that line tight. Where'd he go? I see you now. Bring him over here. Yeah, get him over. Whew, that's cold. Water running down my armpit. Got a new method. Whew, that's cold. Running down my armpit. Huh? Oh man, that's chilly. Oh man, that's chilly. Whew. Oh man, that's cold. Well, get out there. Well, here, that's what, well, doesn't matter. Either one, make sure that thing's not all frayed up. Whew. There, Dad, nice. Nice shot. What a blast. These fish are a riot. There's like 6 of them, 7 of them stacked up out here by this tree. We got one we'll be bringing back with us at least. Beautiful eating size fish. So we're gonna keep going at it. Tired enough that I'm not mad that the fishing's done. Oh yeah. I got one in the nose, Dad. Get your line out, get your line out. You're free, you're free, you're free.
No, I'm not, I'm all tangled out.
Okay, hang on. Bring it here. Dad, bring me your line here.
But you can't.
Take the pole, take the pole. Oh, this is a big fish, Dad. This is a big fish. This is a big fish. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Give me that rod. You got a mouth hook, set that drag lightly and play him out. That's a nice fish. I know. I'm coming. What a beauty. Oh my gosh, Dad. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try and get him before he makes a run for it. Oh my God, we almost lost him. He was hung in the net. He was twisted in the net. Take it easy, we got him. It's a good mouth hook. And there's shit down here that I don't want him in. There he is. There he is. Oh, please be good, bud. Come on. Beautiful, beautiful salmon on the end of the line here. We got a nice mouth hook in him. Take him easy. He's a big boy. He's a big boy.
Just don't hit the line, whatever you do.
Should we just let him tire out a little bit?
You're gonna hit the line.
I know. I just thought I could get it in his nose and he'll swim right in it. But I'm not gonna do it unless it's perfect. It's fine, just hold him there. Perfectly fine. Oh my God, my heart's racing. This is a nice fish. If we just take it easy, I think we can play him out. That hook's in a good spot. He swam past my leg, almost went in the net. Almost went in the net. I think I get him this pass. Now, same thing, just keep pressure on, don't wrench him. Just hold him. Yep, just hold him, he's getting tired. I wish it was shallower here. It's okay. All right, here he comes. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Come up. Easy. Oh no. I still got him, Dad. I got him. I got the fish. Woo! I still got it. Woo! That's cold. I can't hear you, are you? What? Yeah. Work your way to me. Work your way to me. You're fine. Don't stay there. Just stay there. I got him. I still got him. I know. Trust me. Yeah, a little bit. Okay. What in the world are we doing with this thing? If he takes off, I'm...
Yeah, is that going to touch here? I'm going to wrap it around my arm.
I know, that's what I was going to do. What the shit? Oh, my line to my braid broke. Do not hold that in your hand. Where's your gloves?
No, I want this wrapped around my arm.
Careful. No, just once. No more.
Why?
Because it'll cut you. All right, bring him in here.
Not in my arm. On my sleeve.
Holy shit.
If he takes off, he's going to... I'll rip the line or rip my arm off.
It's okay. Well, it's finally here. Last morning of Salmon Camp. Getting tore down. We got Dad's tent we gotta take down yet. That's the last thing. Cooler's gotta get packed up. We've got 3 because we did pretty good this week. We're going home with 10 fish total. We had 3 the first day, 4 the second day, and 3 the third day. So not bad for 3 days of fishing. It was a great time. We had a blast. I'm glad Dad came up here. It was a good time. We did a little bit of night fishing. Maybe next year we'll do some more night fishing and try to get some bigger fish, but I don't know, it was kind of crazy. It's definitely a 2-man operation. It was a bit of a riot by myself trying to get anything in a net or even close enough to a net, but I managed to get 2 of them in a net by myself, and then Dad showed up and made things a lot easier. So, well, we're gonna get tore down here, get stuff packed up.
Might be crazy enough to take off and go fishing.
We might just go fishing. I wish. I would grab a rod and go back down there. As you can see, there's other people already down there.
Well, it's 10:30, so I might just say screw it.
Time to go fishing? Well, maybe we'll just stay and fish. If not, yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. It's been a crazy week. We've had a bunch of good memories, so we're gonna get tore down here and do it all again next year. See you later.